John Deere Trail Buck 500 CVT wiring diagram.
Hello, I might have found the service manual and will get back shortly. I will send you a link for free download of the service manual, 312 pages. Wiring schematics start on page 200. To be honest, I don't know much about your machine. I'm lucky enough to have the manual and will share. I hope this helps. File name, John Deere Utility ATV Trail Buck 500 650 650x 650 extt.m. 2160.03120.pdf download link, http://www.mediafire.com/file/4xig1f7ibdro1x. Were you able to download the manual?
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.